Will currently give us information about Fazl, Nima, Rahma and Barakat.
The difference between?
No, just information and if there is any relationship and difference between them.
Read them again, please.
Fazl, Nima, Rahma and Barakat.
You can repeat the question?
Yes.
The answer to this question will give me ample time to return to my work back in the library. The first one is Fazl. Al-Fazl may mean various things together or separately. Al-Fazl is something which is granted beyond the earning of the person, which he deserves as a fruit of his labor. So what is extra, whatever is extra, is called Al-Fazl. So many a time the Holy Quran uses this word Al-Fazl in this context. Secondly, Al-Fazl means holding of an excellence over and above the rest of the people or rest of the category to which a person belongs. Like this, or in this sense, the people of Israel will granted Al-Fazl over Al-Alameen, the known world of that period. So that is the second connotation of Al-Fazl, which is used by the Holy Quran. But it also indicates that Al-Fazl was granted to them not because they had earned it, because it was given to them over and above what they deserved. So Allah granted this Fazl to them, and that is why when they denied it, when they did not pay full attention to what Allah had granted to them and the requirements of that Fazl, then they were declared the worst of the people under the firmament of heaven. So Al-Fazl here again has that connotation, but is used in apparently a different connotation altogether. Secondly, Al-Fazl means Al-Malud Dunya, the Malud Dunya or Al-Malud Dunya, which means khairat. Let me say Al-Khair, not khairat, it means Al-Khair. Al-Fazl here is another word for Al-Khair, whatever you earn here on earth. So this is used in this meaning in Surah Al-Jumu'ah, that after the Jumu'ah you may return to your worldly affairs or worldly professions to earn the worldly goods, and that is referred to as Fazl, because the prophets in reality are Al-Fazl. Whenever you make profit out of trade, you are returned not exactly with what you put into the trade. You always get some extra. So the basic meaning of Al-Fazl is still found working or mixed up in that meaning of worldly gains out of tijara, out of commerce and trade. Similarly, Al-Fazl refers to anything which any people have by way of their qualities of character or by virtue of their situation. So as such, when men hold an edge over women in certain affairs, it is referred to as Fazl. it's not a fazl at the cost of women. It is a fazl which automatically appears in that particular situation, where one partner must have an edge over the other in certain matters. There, when men hold that edge, the verse refers to this as al-fadl. Right? Still, it is not their personal right. It is Allah who has bestowed this upon them, and they should not take pride and brag before the ladies that look here, we have fazl and you have not. The person who was shown the greatest fazl in the entire world was Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and he never took pride in that fazl, because he understood the fundamental meaning of al-fadl, that it is bestowed upon you from heaven, while really you do not deserve it. So when it is not of your own earning, why should you take pride in that? The greater the fadl is, the more humble it should turn you. And this happened exactly in the case of Rasulullah Sallam. Once when referred to this grand fadl, he said, should I not be more grateful to Allah? So this is the meaning of fadl in general. And this is only the first part of your